Say hi.
Hi. You said to say hi, that's what I did.
I know!
Good.
But you said hi so weird.
Hi. Is there a less weird way to say
Okay,
hi?
so Barnum finally came for me.
I finally made it.
Yeah, so I'm going to school that I'm like 4 hours late for.
You're only like, but you had class this morning?
Yeah, I had an 8 o'clock class.
Oh yeah, I forget. Wait, that class with, oh, I'm sorry.
That's alright. But yeah.
Hey, I made it.
When you have work to do. Because someone picked you up late.
Get off my back. Wait, this will not be found on...
You're offline. No, I'm not.
Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi, Sarah.
My mom calls something.
They have a weak resistance.
You think this is serious? You think she's serious? You look
She's-
cute.
Yeah, babe. You on?
Yeah, you look cute.
She putting us on YouTube. TGT and BTV.
I gotta take a shit.
Metro Boomin, want some more, nigga.
Well, we're off to Spanish and I'm about to fail a midterm because somebody didn't tell me that we had a midterm today.
I'm too tall to be in your vlog, sorry.
Like, I'm gonna fail.
When you're not prepared for your Spanish lesson.
I'm really not.
Just listening.
It's not just
Just
listening.
listening.
Turtles. It's midterm.
Oh,
they made
it's
their
so
way back
cute. Hi, turtles.
Bottom Malik.
Guys, it's Malik.
Hey.
Say hi to the vlog, Malik.
What's good, nigga?
And I'm the Amazonian.
Why you sim recording me, babe?
Why didn't it rain today?
I'm
Why?
upset that other parts of the Bahamas are flooding right now and I have to go to class.
Well, it's technically not a good thing to wish flood upon your island, but
I don't even
okay.
have to wish flood, just like not even a full hour, a couple of minutes of rain and COB will be flooded.
We're about to get dragged for filth.
Instead of like just saying I have class.
What a time
What,
to
she
be
want me to
alive.
swim?
What a time to not be dead is a better way to say that. I would rather be dead right now.
I
just keep forgetting I too tall for this. I don't...
Es tiempo para nuestra raza, David.
Buena suerte.
Vegetable. Look how leaving us.
So,
Hi. Try to say hi.
So I didn't fail because of this one
Vlog. Hey.
and this one.
I'm the star of the day.
She's YouTube channel. Follow us.
Walking around with photographers
How'd it go?
that
Wait,
don't want to feed people.
donate 55 cents a day to me, cause y'all know I hungry. And ain't nobody want to feed me like this girl here. Ain't no one want to feed me. Let's go, going to lunch.
I'm broke. So what the hell are you going to lunch for? Yeah.
It is freaking hot.
It is freaking hot. Look at Bae. Look at her outfit. I don't want to like step back. Yes. Ain't she cute? Look at the leggings though. Dog in the dirt. Went on an adventure.
We're really not. We just don't food.
Shut up.
Adventure time.
Does Adventure Time have a theme song?
Yeah.
What is it?
I can't remember.
Okay.
I will throw my bottle at you.
We're going to a distant...
Oh yeah, Delano's lost bottle broke.
So I got a new one. Shout out to Christy.
Fuck it up.
Yes. What were they looking like Einstein though?
So Lenny Kravitz and Zoe want to just be all post up.
Yes.
Baby girl, you're so darn fine though.
Hit it from behind though.
Hey.
So we just cruising because Bonneman didn't bring his aux cord. Like Bonneman just fucking up today.
You know, ask John. Wait, I ain't gonna lie, wait. Wait, I ain't gonna find him out.
Metro booming, want some more, nigga.
I don't even like Young Buck, but I like this song. You gotta put that crock in your cracker.
Dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper. Now somebody start twerking. Bonneman, can you twerk and drive?
I just showed my nipple. What more do you want from me?
What you did? I didn't see that.
Your camera saw it though.
Yes, you're going on the vlog. Do it for the vlog.
I'll crash. If Christy starts working, I'll crash.
Well,
What you was trying to imply?
Christy!
I'm trying to imply like you can't stop watching.
Just on the time, watch it.
I sorry she had to play with y'all like that.
She doing it?
Hey, hey.
Look at twerking in the back there. I love it.
Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper.
I love these though. Seriously.
Mike Wilmer. Somebody come save me for. It feels like we've met before. Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper.
And we reached our destination, guys.
And in their line, short line. What line? What is line? Everybody inside Pizza Hut right now.
Mike Wilmer. Somebody come save me for. It feels like we've met before. Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get.
Fat mess. Fat mess. Fat mess.
Is you mad?
I am mad.
Keep Mike, they haven't given him his food yet, guys.
Yeah. So we finally made it to KFC and we got our food.
In like 2 minutes. Like I got my food by the time I paid and walked in at the counter.
So
And he also ate it by the time he paid you.
yeah, he ate his food already.
I've already eaten 2 of the 3 pieces.
He also means that for women.
This is true.
Well,
But yeah, we're heading back to school and Bonnie's leaving us.
sorry. I'll be back at 4. Depending on how Stafford decides to behave, I may go to
A stripper. Somebody come tip her. She's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her. She's feeling all the liquor. It's screwed up. I'm a pothead. True.
Can I do this much to it today?
This is a hot mess.
I can do the leg thing though.
What leg thing?
When she does it.
You gotta turn it this way.
I ain't gonna lie. Did you do it across the sub today? Sean, they get mad.
Yeah.
Go back.
That's Monty's, guys.
That's right. Let's take it out and let's just do it. I hate monkeys.
Let me in. He said he won't fight you, babe. Monty said he won't fight you.
Hey, kill him. Fight me. Fight me right now.
You can't see him for true though.
I really can't see him. Fight me.
Somebody come tip her. She's dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her. She's feeling all the liquor. It's screwed up. I'm
about 7:30, I guess. And I was going home with Delano, but then I found out that my boyfriend's across the street. Big Bertha is across the street, so we're about to walk up on him real quick.
Miley, what's good?
So we about to head over there. About to be lit.
Whoa! Whoa!
You thought?
You thought?
These people about to fight me?
In the streets with no bra on.
Really?
Get away from me. Get away.
La 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 la. Giddy up, horsey. Giddy up.
Nay.
La 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 la.
You're not my dad.
You're not my dad. I was trying to hear something. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's wrong with you? Oh my god. La 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 la.
Stop it.
Why we didn't reach there yet, babe?
Squat up. Cake by the pound.
I have no cake. We about to walk on this line.
And look at everyone go.
And look at everybody go. Like, is this the car? Is this the right car? This is about to be a hot mess. Who's winning?
Probably this fucking number.
I got 5. I'm missing. Who won?
Yeah.